So guys, as usual, I'm here with another banger, another free project that will literally allow you to earn without any form of investment. Okay, you can earn and withdraw at any given time without any form of investment. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video. And this project is no other but Aivex network. Yeah, they allow you to actually earn their token for absolutely free. Yes, you earn their token, and at the same time, simultaneously, you also mine USDT for free, which is actually withdrawable. Once you get to the minimum threshold of $10, you can literally withdraw to your favorite wallet at any time. So let me guide you through the whole process ASAP, and let's cut the long story short. So as for the link to this update, I'll be leaving it at the description or at the comment section of this video. So just click on that link. It will take you to your Telegram app. Make sure you're having a Telegram app. I think first of all, you might see a start button at the bottom. Click on it. Then you'll be asked to click on open this application. So just do it. So once it's open, this is what the interface would look like. Your balance will be displaying here. What you're earning per hour will display here, and your income per day will display here. Okay, I think I've been doing this for close to less than 24 hours now, so this is what I have actually accumulated for free. Okay, so once you sign up, you'll be getting the coin. The Aivex token will be given to you. I think around $30 thereabouts will be given to you here for absolutely free. Okay, for each invite you'll be getting $10 worth of the Aivex coin. Every 24 hours you'll be asked to claim your daily bonus. So just come here, click on that daily bonus. This is the referral section. To get a referral link, you can just click on this copy button to copy your referral link. So for every invite you'll be getting $10 worth of the coin. Then you'll also be getting additional income from your referral. Okay, your direct referral will be giving you 10%, your second referral will be giving you 3%, while your third referral will be giving you 10% of profit, okay, from their mining. All right, so it's that simple. So as you can see here, it's a free update and still a paid one, depending on how fast you want to start earning from this. Yeah, you can actually speed up by inviting your friends and family. Okay, when you invite, you can actually speed up your mining. At the same time, you can equally decide to speed up by adding funds into your account. As you can see here, they say earn $0.76 daily income when you top up $10. Okay, so you'll be getting $0.76 on daily basis if you add $10 to your account. So for you to make that deposit, come here, click on this top up section, then you can easily go to the currency section. Okay, this calculate income is when you want to calculate your investments, like what you're supposed to be getting. All right, so just come here, click on this, go to, okay, choose USDT BEP20 to make your deposit. Now minimum deposit is $10. All right, immediately you make that $10 deposit, automatically your mining rate will increase. So just come here, copy the wallet address given to you, make your deposit minimum $10. I advise you to do maybe 10.5 or 10.2, just in case of any form of gas fee. All right, so your money doesn't get missing on the way. So that is how you make your deposit. And for you to withdraw, minimum withdrawal is $10. All you just have to do is to click on withdrawal. Now you don't need to deposit before you withdraw. You can literally withdraw anytime once you get minimum withdrawal. Okay, just come to that section. You'll be asked to enter the amount. Okay, so after inserting the amount you want to withdraw, then click on go to method. You'll be asked to give your wallet address, submit your wallet address, then you proceed. All right, in due time your money will be credited into your wallet. As you have seen here on this video, it's that simple. All you just have to do now is to use the link at the description or at the comment section and jump right into this update ASAP before it gets saturated. You know, anytime we update come out new, now when it's fresh, now the sweet pass. But if you give 72 hours, once you don't go viral, once you don't cast, nothing there again. So make sure you jump right into this one and start exploiting this project as soon as possible and earn massively from it. Now there's no compulsory form of referral, but when you affiliate, it will give you the edge to scale up faster and you earn faster. So feel free to also invite your loved ones into this particular project to help you scale up faster. Now I'm not asking you to do any form of deposit, but should in case you want to invest or do any form of deposit, make sure you carry out your own research, okay, before investing into any project, whether the one I introduce or not. Make sure you carry out your own research. So see you on the next video, and bye for now.